Hi everyone, I am Neeraj Chaudhary. Once again, I am back with a new Excel function that is called sort function. Sort function in Excel is a very powerful function and tools that is arranging a data in a spreadsheet. Its syntax is equals to sort bracket array comma sort index comma sort order comma by column. So let's understand the benefits of the sort function. Function is very flexible function. It's sorting the data dynamically without altering the original data. Easy of use, simplify the data analysis and visualization. In summary, sort function is a very powerful and flexible tool in Excel that allows you to rearrange data based on a specific condition. It's so here we have some data. Now let's use the practical sort function. So if here the question is sort by sales in descending order. So we need the details of sales in a descending order. So apply equals to sort. Let's select the array. This entire data is our array, comma, it's asking for sort index. So this time sort index would be in third. Sort, let's select the array. This entire data is our array, comma, it's asking for sort index. So this time sort index would be in third column, sales column. Okay, so here you can apply 3 because sales data is situated in third column, comma, it's asking for sort order. So we want in descending order. Select the descending order, comma, by column. We want the data in a vertical, so select the false, and now hit the enter. You will get the answer in a descending order, sales data in a descending order. This is how you will get the answer. Now see one more time, equals to sort. This time we need the data sort zone wise in ascending order. So sort, select the array, entire data is array. Okay, now zone is in first column, comma, in this time we need the data in a ascending order. So order would be sort order would be 1, and this sort by row. So select this one. Now you will get the answer, ascending order, zone wise. Okay, so this is how you can use sort function in Excel. Now let's sort by function in Excel is a very powerful tool for sorting data based on one or more columns. Its syntax is equals to sort by array 1, comma, sort order 1 by array 2, sort order 2, and so on, many more. So let's understand the benefit of sort by function. It's a very flexible, sort data dynamically without altering the original data, multiple sort criteria, easily sort by multiple columns or range. In summary, sort by function is a very powerful tool in Excel that allows you to analysis and visualization based on the specific condition. It is easy of use, flexibility, and dynamic nature make it value addition to your Excel toolkits. So now let's learn how sort by function works in Excel. So here we have some data, zone, category, and sales, and here we need sort by sales descending, but show only zone and category. So in this entire data we need only two things, that is zone and category. So here, and which is sorted by this value. So let's apply sort by. Now select these two column, comma, now by array this one, comma, and we need descending order. So select this one and close the bracket and hit the enter. You will get the answer. Okay, now you can see here, if you want to validate this date formula, you can just have a this is in top, north furniture is descending value. So this is how this function works. You can apply this formula in your day-to-day function, day-to-day works. Now here you can see one more time sort function by column. Okay, here you can apply sort, select the entire array, sort index should be 3, descending. This time we select true, sort by column, because this data is in, we want this data is in column, in this column. So you can select true and close the bracket, hit the enter, you will get the answer. So this is how you can use this sort and sort by function in Excel and expertise your work and day-to-day work at your workplace. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching Happy Learning. Hope you have enjoyed these classes. Thank you.